Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make money on this platform. Now this platform is a new platform, it just came up, so I'll be showing you how you can get started and how you can directly make money directly from this platform. Now the first thing you need to do is to register. You have to register an account with them for you to go ahead with the process. Now the first thing you're going to do is to put in your email address right here. You put in your email address, you put in your verification code. You have to click on this icon right here to get your verification code. Put in your password, you create your password, and also you'll be making use of my referral code right here. My referral code will automatically show, and I'll also be dropping it in my Telegram channel. Make sure you use my referral code so you can get bonus and benefits from this platform. So I'm going to do that right now and get back to the screen. So right here showing on the screen is the code that I got from them. As you can see right here is the code that I got from them. So you want to do fast to copy the code because the code will only be valid for 10 minutes. So you'll be very fast in copying the code and going back to paste the code right there. So as you can see right here, this is me after inputting whatever details that I need to put. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on sign up right here. You're going to click on sign up, and as you can see, registered successfully. So this is how your interface is going to look like. This is what it's going to look like right showing on your screen. So now let's head to how we can start getting money on this platform. So for you to go ahead and start making money on this platform, the first thing you're going to do is to make the first thing I'm going to be showing you is how to make deposit on this platform. So if you want to make deposit on this platform, what you're going to do is just click on mine right here, then you go ahead and click on top up. As you can see, you can either choose your ERC 20 or your TRC 20 USDT. So you go ahead and click on the amount that you want to top up. You go ahead and click on top up right here. You copy the wallet amount. As you can see, copy the wallet address. You copy the wallet address. Then after you have put in your after you've copied the wallet address, you go into your wallet, make the deposit, then the transfer ID, that's the transaction ID, and your payment address or your payment address. You come back here, put it and click on confirm. Within 5 minutes, in fact, you within 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be credited to your account balance immediately. So this is me after I've made my deposit, as you can see right here. So the next thing we're going to do now is to go ahead and start making money on this platform. So the next stage I'll be showing you right here is how to go ahead and follow the 8-stage plan on this platform so you don't make loss on this platform. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on calculator right here. You click on calculator stage amount. As you can see right here, when you make a trade on this platform and you make the trade amount for the first stage is this 0.098. This is the trade amount. If you make a loss, when you make a loss while trading, you move to the next stage. When you make another loss, you move to the next stage. But here is one thing that I need you to understand. Once you are able to make a profit, then you can go back to the very beginning, to the first stage, and start again and start over. That is how you keep on making more profit on this platform. So there are different ways you can use to make money on this platform. As you can see, these are the odds that they have. They have the BTC 28, GameStar, the Sportstar, the Ethereum. So now for you to start on this platform, the first thing you're going to do is to join the first thing you're going to do is to join their signal group, as you can see right here. So you don't have to worry about not making money on this platform. They automatically give you what to trade. They automatically give you how to trade and win on this platform. So they tell you what to trade big, and they tell you the results. They tell you what to input on the platform. So now this is the signal group. So I'm going to go ahead and take in the first step. So this is what this game right here looks like. This is what it looks like. So the first thing you're going to do now is to So in the signal group, they tell you whether to take big, they tell you whether to take small, they tell you whether to take odd or even right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to show you how to go ahead and place a trade on this platform. So as you can see right here, this is what the signal groups looks like. This is what they'll be telling you to trade. As you can see, big, and you'll be getting your win right here. So we're going to head to the place and click on win big. So as you can see, it has a time here. This is for the Ethereum, and here, as you can see right showing on the screen. So now we're going to click on the minutes. I'm going to click on big right here, and you click on trade right here, and you can go ahead and click on confirm. As you can see the countdown is counting. Then after the countdown, you know whether you made a profit or not, as you can see right showing on the screen. Once you make a loss on this platform, once you make loss while trading on this platform, the agent will provide you 100% loss compensation plan for the 8th stage as a guarantee of the user's rights. And the mechanism they aim to provide all users the more robust risk protection. So they provide risk protection. So once you make a loss at the 8th stage, they will show you how to, they will give you 100% loss compensation plan on this platform. So I'll be showing you another way in which you can use to make money on this platform, which is by referral. You can make money on this platform by referral right here. So all you have to do is just click on invite right here. You click on invite, then you can now go ahead and copy your link. As you can see, go ahead and copy your link. The more referral you make, the more money you get to make on this platform. As you can see right showing on the screen, these are the commissions you'll be getting upon every referral. This is your level 1, this is the amount you'll be getting. Your level 2, this is the amount you'll be getting. Level 3, this is the amount you'll be getting. And for agent, this is the amount you'll be getting, as you can see right here. So the more referral you get, the more commission you get to make on this platform. So now, how do you withdraw on this platform? I'll be showing you how you can withdraw on this platform. Now, to make withdrawal on this platform, the first thing I'm going to do is to click on mine right here. Click on withdraw. As you can see, you have to bind your wallet address first. Then you put in the cryptocurrency that you'll be using. You can either use your TRC20 address, as you can see, or your ERC20 address. You click in your email verification, and you click on this to get a code, and after that you click on confirm. So now the next thing you're going to do is to put in the amount that you want to withdraw, right, showing on the screen. You put in the amount. You can see the minimum withdrawal is $10. So you put in $10, and also you can now go ahead and put in the amount that you want to put in your payment address, and you can now go ahead and click on confirm. I'll be withdrawing $15 because I don't want to withdraw all my money from the platform. So I'm withdrawing $15, and I'll also be sending the withdrawal proof to my Telegram channel. As you can see right here, I'll be sending the withdrawal proof to my Telegram channel. Do not forget to join the signal group. That is where you'll be getting signals on how you can trade. And if you don't join the signal group, you will not also be getting the compensation for loss. You will not be getting your compensation for loss on this platform. This is all you need to know concerning this platform.